In this video, I'm going to share with you how to create a simple bar chart. And for that, I'm going to use this prompt. As always, I'm just going to copy this prompt and I'm just going to put that into my Gemini. And then I'm just going to fill in these blank spaces with the appropriate names that's relevant for my context. So for example, in this blank space, the name of the data frame for us is FWB data, because that's how we have named the data frame that we imported. Then the X variable, in this case, I'm just going to stick to the variable that we have been using in some of the other videos as well, which is PPETHM, which stands for race, ethnicity. And I'm going to share with this AI chatbot how this variable has been coded. So here 1 equals white, 2 equals black, 3 equals other, and 4 equals Hispanic. And then the Y variable I'm going to use is a distress. We can call it stress level. That's how I'm just going to name this variable. And the way that it is coded is 1 equals strongly disagree and 5 equals strongly agree. Now what I want to do is convert this distress into a binary variable, because this is a Likert scale. You can call it an ordinal variable because it can take any value between 1 and 5, and a higher value means more stressed they are. However, this is not a simple numeric variable, for example age or income. It's different because this is ordinal. So the plan I have is that I am going to say that if somebody selected either 4 or 5, then they are stressed, and if somebody selected 1, 2 or 3, then they are not stressed. This is how I'm going to convert this ordinal variable into a binary variable, so that the y-axis of my graph shows the percentage of people in my dataset that are distressed. So I'm going to say that this is coded as 1, 2, 5. Then I'm going to give this chatbot some extra instruction that turn this into a binary variable which takes a value of 1 if distress is 4 or 5 and 0 otherwise. Distress taking a value of 1 means the respondent is stressed. So this is how I'm just going to explain what I am trying to do to my AI chatbot. Next, I have filter out observations. I'm just going to say that where all these variables have a negative value, because negative value in this particular data set means a missing value. Next thing I have is show me our code using ggplot2 to create a bar chart showing the, so here I'm going to pick percentage because the outcome is binary. Percentage of what? That's what I have to mention here. So percentage of respondents who are stressed, and that should be it. So let's click submit and see what code Gemini produces. So this is the code that I got. I'm just going to copy this and paste this into my R script. Then I'm going to select all this. Then I'm going to click run. Okay, so this is how my graph looks like, and it's a pretty nice graph, and I got exactly what I wanted. I'm pretty happy with this simple bar chart, and I hope this video was useful for you to see how easy it is for you to use the prompt that I'm sharing with you to create these beautiful bar charts.